This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and I'd like to welcome you back to another episode of Trading Essentials. Now, if you're new to the channel and interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing platform tutorials, or live day trades, then please consider subscribing to the channel. In this video lesson, we'll be discussing the benefits and risks of trading the futures market. One of the benefits of trading the futures market is that your funds settle immediately. So there isn't a one-day hold like when trading stock options or a two-day hold when trading stocks. Also, there is no PDT rule. So this means you can make as many day trades as you would like. You aren't restricted to just 3-day trades in a 5-day rolling period. Next, the futures market is not closed on all holidays, and you can take a quick look at the holiday schedule by visiting cmegroup.com for more details. The futures market is very liquid, and this is because it's a global market. Therefore, there are more market participants. Lastly, there are longer trading hours. The futures market is open almost 24 hours a day, with the exception of a few short breaks. And so this gives you the ability to trade around your schedule. If you have errands to run, if you have a full-time or part-time job, you can trade around your schedule and at your convenience. Now let's discuss the risk of trading futures. So you will be using leverage, which is your broker's money, whenever you're trading the futures market. And if you're not disciplined with your trades, you could end up owing your broker money. So discipline is required, and I highly recommend that you use a hard stop loss. Do not use a mental stop loss when trading futures. The futures market is very volatile, and you really need to have a hard stop loss so that you can avoid massive losses. Some brokers do offer an automatic max loss and will automatically liquidate your position to protect you from owing your broker. But again, if you're using a hard stop loss and following your trade plan, you really won't have to worry about this. So that is a quick overview of the benefits and risks of trading the futures market. You may want to consider demo trading first so that you can see how the volatility is in the futures market, and then you can always open a live account a little bit later. I hope you enjoyed this short video lesson, and if you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video lesson.